Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Tips for Daily Life.
Now that COVID-19 vaccines are rolling out, pregnant people, and anyone considering a future pregnancy, have many questions around risks and benefits. At first, many of those receiving vaccines in US were healthcare workers, but the circles for vaccine eligibility have widened. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, and the Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine, SMFM, agree that the COVID-19 vaccines should be offered to pregnant individuals who are eligible for vaccination. In this video, I will share answers to some basic questions you may have about getting a COVID-19 vaccine if you're pregnant or considering pregnancy, soon or in the future. Keep in mind that information is evolving rapidly. Your obstetric provider or medical team can advise you more fully about benefits and risks, based on your personal health risks, exposures to the virus that causes COVID-19 and preferences. Can I get the COVID-19 vaccine if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding? The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, recommends that the COVID-19 vaccines not be withheld from pregnant or lactating people, and being pregnant won't disqualify you from receiving the vaccine. Every state is prioritizing the vaccine rollout differently. Some states have opened vaccination to those with certain underlying conditions, often including pregnancy. In other states, you may qualify for the vaccine based on your occupation or age. Check your home state's health department website for more details on whether you may qualify. In early March, President Biden announced all adults should be eligible for the vaccine by May 1st. Is the COVID-19 vaccine safe if you're pregnant or breastfeeding? There's little data available on whether COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective during pregnancy because pregnant people were excluded from initial clinical trials. However, a small study published March 25 in the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology found that the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are indeed safe and effective during pregnancy, and that they may also provide some protection for their babies. The study, which included 131 participants, found that vaccinated pregnant women produced similar antibody levels to those who were not pregnant. They also experienced similar mild side effects, such as arm soreness and fatigue. But the most exciting discovery was that antibodies were present in the umbilical cord and breast milk, suggesting that babies may be partially protected from COVID-19 when a mom gets vaccinated. Which vaccines are authorized? 3 COVID-19 vaccines have emergency use authorization from the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. All deliver instructions to the body that help the immune system block the virus that causes COVID-19. This can be done in different ways: a 2-dose Pfizer, BioNTech vaccine. This vaccine uses mRNA. A 2-dose Moderna vaccine. This vaccine uses mRNA. A 1-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine. This vaccine uses a harmless, modified form of the common cold virus in humans called an adenovirus. Studies show all 3 vaccines are extremely effective in reducing risk for severe illness, hospitalizations and deaths from COVID-19. They also help reduce risk for moderate illness. What about vaccine side effects? One possible side effect of the COVID-19 vaccines is fever a day or two after vaccination. This occurred in about 1% to 3% of people after the first dose of mRNA vaccine, 15% to 17% after the second dose of mRNA vaccine, 9% after the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine. These fevers are generally low and can be managed with acetaminophen, which is safe to take during pregnancy. Really high, prolonged fevers in pregnancy may lead to birth defects. What else should parents know about the COVID-19 vaccine? Though it will likely be a long time before babies and children can be vaccinated against COVID-19, they may indirectly benefit from it in much the same way that newborns benefit from the Tdap, influenza and measles vaccines, meaning, if everyone around them is vaccinated, they'll be partially insulated against the viruses, and therefore less likely to contract them. Recent research also suggests that moms who receive the COVID-19 in pregnancy pass on protective antibodies to their newborns through the placenta and breast milk. Finally, while the COVID-19 vaccine is likely to play a major role in ending the global pandemic, it won't eliminate the virus altogether. For the foreseeable future, everyone should continue to wear a mask, social distance and wash their hands often.
Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.